Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'll be preparing something special. So these are chayotes. I'll be preparing some chayotes. Most people say chayotes are tasteless and really people don't like it, but I don't know why. I find chayote interesting and I can make it almost every day. So kindly, for you, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's start by peeling. Okay, now that these ones are done, I'll prepare these ones too. So after peeling and washing, then I just get one by one and use a grater. So this here is the seed, so I'll put it aside. Well, now that this is done, I'll set it aside, but I'll put it like this so that all this water drains out. Then I'll grate these ones too. Okay, we are now set. It's time for cooking. So you can see the amount of liquid that is draining from the chayotes after grating them. So I always first add in the chayotes when the oil is that hot. And then I'll add in the rest of the vegetables: carrots, green pepper, onions, and tomatoes. And then I'll add in salt and cover. And then lastly, I'll add in a spoon of Royco, which I've already taken here. So I'll just mix it in water. So now I'll add in the parsley. Well, chayotes are eaten in very many ways. And now I want to show you how we eat our chayotes. So right here I have some buns. These are store-bought buns. And this is how we mostly prefer ours. So this is one way you can enjoy chayotes. You can use something as natural as this.
You open it up. You enjoy the shower. This is the good stuff in your open it.
So just like I told you, there are very many ways you can eat chayotes, and for us, we use it absolutely anything. They really taste good when you prepare them this way, other than cutting them into tubes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.